Everybody asks me for this recipe. Make it this way and you will not want any other cake. For this recipe, we'll start by melting 1.5 cups of sugar. When it's completely melted, let's add half a cup of water. Add it little by little and be very careful with this process. Then let's pass this caramel syrup to a form that is already greased with butter or oil. We'll also use slices of pineapple. We are going to peel it and then cut the middle out of the pineapple. This way, as you can see. Soon you will understand why I cut it this way. It is to fit correctly in the form, as you can see. After, the cake will be very beautiful. Let's reserve this form, and now for the cake, guys, let's use 3 eggs. Beat them very well, and then let's add 1.5 cups of sugar. Remember that the cup I'm using contains 210 milliliters. After beating it very well, let's add half a cup of oil, a cup of water, 1 sachet of pineapple flavored jello. If you want, you can use the light one. And now I'm going to add little by little 1.5 cups of flour and go beating it. Look how beautiful the batter is already. And to finish it, let's add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. If you want the complete recipe, don't forget to comment down here "I want" so I can send you complete and detailed. Then guys, let's pass all this batter to the form. And my tip for you guys is to use a big form so the cake can have space to grow. So take the biggest form you have at your house. Then let's take it to the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour to 1 hour and 10 minutes. But it will depend on your oven, guys, so keep an eye on it. As you can see, guys, my cake is already done. I unmolded it when it was still warm, and it is very delicious. Make it there at your house, that I'm pretty sure that you and all of your family are gonna love this recipe. Who loves pineapple will fall in love with this recipe. Here at my house, I have to make this recipe every weekend. As you can see, it is very fluffy, and this caramel syrup is unbelievable. And this was today's dish. Kisses, and see you on the next video. I hope you liked it. Bye!